Hey spooky kids! Hey guys and ghouls! Today we got a little out of hand with our makeup, which you'll see how this happened in the tutorial, but some mistakes were made and we had to kind of go overboard and make up for it with some blending. So we have a super heavy lower lash line. But anyway, today's look super glittery and green with some warm tones throughout the transition and a chocolatey brown lip, and I don't know, it's a lot. Yeah, this look is too much, but I am living for it and I have that too much gene, if you haven't noticed that already. I don't know when to put that blending brush down and just stop. Anyway, this look is kind of loosely inspired by a Type O Negative song called Be My Druidess, with the green tones and everything, and I kind of want to do something a little bit opposite of the look I did the other day with the bronze orangey eye and the green crease. It's kind of flip-flopped around. Now, before we get into this video and tutorial, please be sure to subscribe and like it. I upload twice a week, Tuesday and Friday, so make sure you have that bell on so you know when I upload. Without further ado, if you want to see how I got this look using the Morphe Boss Mood palette, just keep on watching. Okay, I've got you all zoomed in and ready to go. I've already primed my eyes with the e.l.f. Camo Concealer and some Milani eyeshadow primer, and then I did just a light coating of some translucent powder just to set everything down. I go in with the shade called Talk Dirty first. Yeah, these shade names, I swear, in this palette are just so cringe. We're gonna take Talk Dirty on a fluffy blending brush, knock off the excess, and we go straight into the crease and blend into the transition. This is basically the opposite of the look I did the other day. So this time we're putting the brown and the warm tones in the crease and the green on the lid. I don't know why I'm starting with this color, I just am. And I'm gonna go with the lighter colors in a second. I'm just kind of packing that into this outer V and then blending softly. And windshield wiper motions. To get into this little inner part, I'm gonna tug right here. And just do this. Because I get a little fold right there and it's super annoying. Because it makes a little, like, skipped. It causes my eyeshadow to skip right in here. All I can think of with this eyeshadow shade is that, was it Poison song? Talk Dirty to Me. That's all I can think of right now. Okay, now that I've got that kind of laid down in the outer V crease area, I'm gonna go in with the shade called Peachy Keen, which is not peach by any means. It's a peanut butter shade at best. I don't understand the naming of these eyeshadows. Some of them make no sense whatsoever. I'm gonna take that on the same fluffy brush and just kind of go around this outer part, like through the transition area, just above where we laid down that deeper brown. I'm taking this shade pretty far out towards the tail of my brow, doing a very elongated shape with the eyeshadow. Okay, and next I'm going to take the shade called Fired Up, which is the bright orange. I'm just going to take it very softly on this brush and pull it out here to bring in a little more warmth. Kind of using it to marry the two shades with a very light hand. Does anyone else think like girl boss and shit like that is really cringy and sounds ridiculous? Like, why is it gotta be a girl boss? Just be a fucking boss. That's not equality. You're differentiating yourself even further. I don't know, I think that's a very condescending term. It sounds like something. It sounds very pandering, if you ask me. Okay, I think I'm really liking this blend. That looks really nice, doesn't it? Okay, so what I'm gonna do next is take a little bit of the NYX glitter glue, or glitter primer rather, and take a little bit of that and just pop a little bit on my little fingy here because my fingers don't have nails right now, so I can actually use them for things. I'm just gonna do this. They are so beat up. Don't look at them. They look terrible. But I'm kind of just tired of doing acrylics. Tired of taking the time to do it, basically. Okay, just patting that on the lid. I'm gonna take a flat synthetic brush and I'm gonna take the shade Sheen Stealer. Go into the outer portion of the lid. This is like a super dark olivey brown color. Like, I think it's really pretty, has very pretty sparkles in it. And on the inner part, I think I'm gonna take electric energy and kind of blend those into one another. Now right around the outside of this, I'm gonna take a Morphe M562 and I'm gonna bring a little bit of dirty talk just right along here. And softly let it diffuse into the transition. Alright, I'm gonna take a little bit more of a fired up. I'm gonna pull that just above. Okay, I think I'm gonna pull my shimmers up just a little higher, just above folding my lid, the crease. So I'm taking a little more of electric energy and just pulling that just a little higher. I think that looks a little bit better. Next, I'm gonna take just a little bit of the shade called Green with Envy, which is a really deep, deep olive. I'm taking down that Morphe brush and just bringing it right out here. Just to flow into those browns. Just for a little bit more of a cohesiveness. Basically look like dirty dead leaves. Yep, is that what we're going for? Pretty much. I really like the way this looks coming together. It was really easy and kind of quick. It was very effortless. Okay, I'm gonna do a little bit of liquid liner. I'm gonna try out a new technique I saw on the interwebs and see if this works. Okay, I've just cleaned up the fallout from my eye and tidied up my wing. I want to go in with a glitter, actually. This is the NYX glitter ghouls. Try to get that in frame. I think I'll insert a picture if I have one. But I want to take the little kind of greeny gold shade over here. I want to put that on the center of the lid. Does this have a name? This is Galactica. There we go. Just gives it a little extra glam. I really enjoy this little palette. Like, these colors are just kind of my kind of glitters. Like, they're neutral glitter, which is probably the strangest thing in the world to want. But it's kind of my style. So I'm not into the, you know, massively rainbow looks and stuff. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the rest of my face. So what had happened was, I thought it would look really cool if I lined the lower waterline with some yellow eyeliner. And it did not look cool. It looked gross. So I've put some green eyeliner over that. It's the NYX Faux Black in olive green, I believe. And you can still see a little bit of the yellow kind of peeking through, but I think it'll be okay once we blend some olive green eyeshadow along the lower lash line and everything. It should turn out alright. I've also went ahead and put my false lashes on and some liquid liner and all that. I just need to do my actual mascara. But okay, so let's go ahead and try to fix this lower lash line situation. I was trying to do the little pointy inner corner. It never works on me. It doesn't look good on my eye shape. I don't know why I bother. It just looks like I have a dirty inner corner. It looks so pretty on everyone else. Alright, so I'm gonna take a eyeshadow C brush from e.l.f. It's just this kind of flat, smudgy. It's like perfect for like right in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to blend some dark olive. I think I'm going to go in with the shade Green with Envy and try to kind of blend this out and see if we can fix it. I done goofed. And just start working that closer to the lash line and blending. I think that might be fixing it. Are we making progress? I feel like we are. Yeah, the yellow liner I used is the Punch gel liner from ColourPop, which I thought, oh, that would look so cool with this look. It did not. It just looked, oh god, not good. I'm gonna keep blending this and hope things start looking good. I think it's looking good. I think I'm fixing it. It's better. It's called Black Magic, and I'm just gonna take it right close to this outer corner. Just to smudge into the wing. I do like the way my wings came out today. I think I did a good job on those. Yeah, that's what we needed. Okay, so next I'm going to take a little bit of, let's see, Hello Sunshine, I think, and take that on the inner part right here. I feel like it'll kind of blend in with that yellow and it'll look intentional. Morphe M562, and just, nothing's on it. Just do a little blendy. Okay, I think that's about as good as that's gonna get. I'm gonna take my little flat brush I used on the upper lid and jump into the shade. Okay, so I put a little bit of bold moves right in here, which did virtually nothing. I'm gonna try going in with a definer, a little detailer brush. Okay, that gave me a little bit more payoff. I think I'll take a little bit of Pop Star, which is the gold. Let's get right in here, right in this inner part. There we go. That's more what I was looking for. I think I'm gonna take a little bit of Light of the Party, just the lightest shade in the palette right here in the inner corner. Okay, now I feel like the upper lash line needs more. just stop blending, leave it alone. You're done. Are we done? I think I've done enough. So I'm gonna take a little bit of what I'm gonna use as my face highlighter today, which is Marshmallow from the Sugar Glow kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I'm gonna take it on that little definer brush and hit that inner corner. I'm gonna do some mascara and be right back for the finished eye. Okay, and here is the finished eye look. Go ahead and highlight first before we do our blush. I'm going to use Marshmallow from the Sugar Glow kit from ABH. Take it on this, my little Sonia Kashuk highlighting brush, and hit the cheekbones. I've already applied it to my brow bone and inner corner, so I'm just kind of marrying them together. I'm gonna go ahead and do my blush. I'm gonna use I'm just gonna use Mood Exposure again from Hourglass because it's in front of me, and I love it so much. It's such a beautiful blush. Let's take a little bit of Wet n Wild Crystal High highlighter. Just give a little bit of some extra sheen. My God, it's not like this looks understated. This is one of those looks that's just everything. We got glitter, we got highlight, we got lashes. We're about to have a super bold lip. Nothing subtle over here today. Would you guys like a wearable, like, everyday look? Let me know in the comments. I could do that. I can do toned down and normal and wearable. But yeah, this is what I'm wearing today, though. I mean, it's on my face, so it's wearable. Okay, I'm gonna take a little bit of, not dim light, what is it? Diffuse light on a brush and just use it to marry everything together. Okay, and for the lips, I'm gonna go with NYX Liquid Suede in Downtown Beauty. Okay, and this is the finished look. Yet another fall look that kind of got a little out of hand. We kind of did a lot more than I was anticipating. So tell you what, I'm gonna do a very like wearable nice fall look tomorrow. We got some glitter, we got a super bold lip, we got some highlighter, false lashes, we got everything going today. And I am living for it. And also living for my crazy curly hair. Yep, this is how my hair is these days. This is it. I found it. Just embracing the madness over here. So yeah, if you'd like to follow along with me and seeing how I got this green Be My Druidess inspired makeup look, just give me a like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below if there's any particular types of looks you would like to see me do. Do we want me to do a toned down kind of wearable look? I'll do one, just, yeah. You don't even have to tell me. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay spooky. Bye now.